how to run the meal restrictions report. Welcome to our training video on how to generate the meal restrictions report. Start by navigating to the Reports module. Select the Safety Reports tab, then click on the Meal Restrict tab at the top. Here, you have several filtering options. You can search by a specific date or choose a date range, like an entire week. After selecting your date or date range, click the Apply button. A list will display showing the number of children enrolled in each group and the number of each type of meal restriction. Please note that meal restrictions must first be added in the Setup module in the Custom Settings. Any meal restrictions added there will display here. Refer to the meal restrictions training for more information. You'll notice, for example, that some children may have restrictions such as no beef, chicken, pork, or seafood. You can also download this list as an Excel file by clicking the CSV icon. To refine the list, use the Group Filter option. Choose the group you want to filter by, click Apply, and the list will update to show only children with meal restrictions in that group. Further refined by Meal Services, which can be added in the Setup module under Adjustments. These can include options such as full-time or part-time meal service. Select your preferred option, click Apply, and the information will update. At any stage, you can download this as a CSV file. That's all there is to it. Thank you for watching.